We have Jacqueline making candles.
Putting the wicks onto the wood so it can hang in that bottle like that.
You put wax in there? Or is it an open air candle?
You put wax in there, and that is happening over there.
Oh, okay. On the oven? On the stovetop?
Actually, we're doing it in the microwave.
Oh. We're making microwave table candles. Oh no, microwave candles. Table candles are a little different. We won't make table candles today. Because I kind of like our table the way it is.
Mommy, did we even need the beeswax?
We didn't use beeswax last time, but I think we'll make some this
That's the
time.
beeswax. It's none of your beeswax.
Well, are you filming us?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
You're not supposed to ask questions like that.
I'm sorry. I didn't know.
Now everyone's offended. Everyone is offended. Everyone watching this video will be offended because you asked the question. How dare you ask that question?
I'm sorry.
That's terrible.
So we have
You should
the
never do that
wax
again.
blocks and our beeswax, and she's gonna add them into here.
Wait, but how much beeswax do I have?
Oh, we're using beeswax different. We're using beeswax candles instead of the other.
Don't you add like
You
a
can make candles out of this.
don't you add like a cup
But is
of
it
beeswax?
weird?
It's just different.
No, it's beeswax. I'm pretty sure it's just beeswax. That's like soap candles.
You put this in for 1 minute and 30 seconds, and then right as you take it out, you have to hurry and get coloring and scenting, and then you pour it in, and soon it'll become candles.
Can you add flavor?
You can, but you don't want to eat the candles.
You could make like ketchup flavored candles. That'd be really cool.
Yeah, that's what I meant. This is okay.
You're gonna make ketchup candles? That'd be awesome.
The first one I'm going to do
Yummy, yummy ketchup candles.
baked apple.
Baked apple.
Yeah, with
Oh.
red food
There's
coloring.
baked apple in there. It looks like baked apple. I wonder if
It's
I probably
just white.
I probably don't want to drink it, do I?
No.
I could put.
It looks like this because
You could
once
just. I bet it's just water. It's not really baked apple. It's just water. I bet it's just water.
Oh wait, don't. Nope, it's baked apple. Oh wow, that tastes really good. I meant smells really good, not tastes.
A funny way of tasting it.
Mommy, are you ready for that?
We're still making table candles. Very active here today, even though everybody wants to fall asleep. Yeah, those are the sticks.
And these are just skewers that we cut in half.
Okay. That's pretty cool.
And then we have to try to make them as centered as possible.
Okay.
Do not touch them. For a little bit.
Oh, what?
Okay, the moment of truth. 10 minutes later in the microwave, cooking it at 7,000 degrees.
7,000?
Yeah. Wasn't that what Kids Craft say? They cook it at like 7,000 degrees.
I don't know.
It looks pretty squishy. Hey Heidi, how hot do you cook the oven? Do you make the oven when you bake cookies? Do you know? How many degrees? 7,000? I don't know, maybe.
350, Heidi, 350.
Tree fitty. Tree fitty. Tree fitty. Tree 50.
Why did you say tree?
Because how you pronounce 3 in Ireland. It's tree.
Okay, so the candles didn't really
Where'd all the wax go?
work, so we
Where'd
had
the wax
to.
go? It disappeared. Where did it go?
There's still wax in here, but I need to move it around. To
Where'd
make
the other wax go?
The other wax is melted, and it's this liquidy stuff.
Oh, so it melted. So it's like an ice cube.
And that white
No.
stuff kind of looks like dry ice.
No,
Yeah, I've seen what
no, because
Dry
dry
ice.
ice you have to. Then it looks like there's steam coming out.
Dry ice, you have to what?
You have when you put dry ice in water, the steam is going.
like up.
Yeah, the steam is going.
Where does the steam come from? Do you know where the steam comes from, Heidi?
The dry ice.
What's dry ice made out of?
Really, really, really cold ice.
Oh.
So if you touch it, then it will.
Don't you just take ice and make sure it's dry, then you have dry ice?
No.
No?
No.
I was pretty sure that's how it worked.
Well, if you make it really,
Oh,
really
Ashley
cold.
just added food color, or what's that red? She just added food coloring in there. So you got red candles.
Yeah, because I'm doing
Red candles.
what am I doing again? Baked apple, yeah, I'm doing
Oh.
baked apple.
So the red mean is baked?
The red makes it so it looks like it's a baked apple because apples are red.
What if they start off, what if you have a green apple? If you bake it, does it turn red after that?
Seriously?
I thought, well, I don't know. I never baked an apple before.
No baked apple. No, this is very strong.
We don't have any apples. We could try throwing one in the microwave and see if it comes out red. Or did you bake it somewhere else? Why are you putting water in there?
It's not water, it's the scent.
It's salt?
Scent!
Oh, scent.
Hey,
That
mommy.
makes it smelly.
Makes it smelly.
Okay.
Smelly in Russian means brave. Smelly in Russian means brave.
She is going to be the one that is pouring it because
There's
it
mommy
is way
pouring.
too hot for me.
Mommy's pouring.
Then we don't have to be random.
Pour, pour, pour. Pour, pour, pour.
And once it dries, it's going to smell good.
Pour, pour, pour.
That's my dad.
Pour, pour, pour.
You can see it's starting to dry.
And we're even
Because you
doing
can
it
notice
with
the little
my
white parts.
ginormous
You got some
We're
wax on
even
that.
doing it with
wick there.
these.
But I think that's okay.
Yeah, that's okay.
Yeah.
Because we're going to cut it.
So then it hardens and you got water on top?
No,
Does the water, or the water just goes
hardens.
inside of it?
Here's what one of them looks like. It hardens and then it looks like this on the top.
What happens to the water though that you had in there? Or there was no?
It turns into this. Turns into this. And even if you spill the stuff on top of this part, it's just going to have a little bit of wax on it that melted.
Oh.
So you keep it open, and then once it's dry, you put the lids on.
So the water just disappears.
Yeah, it's
like it never
all
existed.
the gases.
So how many of these were there?
She had two of them.
So 2 of these blocks made 5 4-ounce candles.
Oh, okay.
Some of
And each of those
these.
blocks weighs probably, let's see, 4-ounce candles. I don't know.
Hey,
And
Dad,
we got
we're
these
even
at-
making it.
That's 20 ounces, so each one weighs 10 ounces.
And these bottles we got from Walmart.
I just did some math.
We got
I just did some math because 5 times 4 is 20, and then 2 divided by 20 is 10. No, 20 divided by 2 is 10. I did it.
Yeah, we got one that was filled with the stuff
Now she made
in here.
other candles. She's making Christmas candles.
I'm making them for a winter store we do at
Do you
our
have beef
school.
flavoring? You should make beef flavored candles.
No, no beef flavoring.
No beef.
This one was baked cookies.
The beef flavoring might be exciting for men. The men might like beef flavoring or bacon. Yeah, bacon. Yeah, taco flavoring, nacho flavored candles. You need to start putting cheese in there. Should melt cheese in there and stuff.
That is cool. Oh, you made me cry.
Okay, so you can see they're getting cloudy around the sides, so they're hardening. And these are a little bit more liquid, so they're a little hotter. And these are the last 2 I poured.
So wax
So-
gets harder as it gets cooler.
It totally does.
Wow,
Yep.
I did not know that. That's pretty cool. Ashley's making fun of me because I didn't know.
And then we're getting ready for the next batch. And this one is one of the ones that we made originally. That one is baked cookies, I believe.
Baked cookies.
Yes.
Did you like put real cookies in there?
No, but I'd like to eat real cookies.
I wish you could eat real cookies too, but you
That
can't.
would be really nice.
Yeah. Those are the air candles that are made out of air right now.
Yes. Pretty soon there'll be
Waxy
cinnamon,
candles.
right, Ashley?
I think she's making. I thought you were making strawberry.
She changed her mind because I told her to.
Oh.
We're doing Christmas flavors, scents,
Oh.
Christmas scents.
And then I told her that we were gonna do strawberry.
Well, why can't strawberry be
Yeah, we're gonna
Christmassy?
do one of these for strawberry.
Strawberry's right. It can be Christmassy.
Those are gonna be our personal Christmas presents.
I like the flavors of strawberry and lime. I think those are really good Christmas
not doing
Christmas
lamb.
flavors. No,
No,
lime,
no.
not lamb.
I was gonna say no. Lime would be fine.
Yeah, lime and strawberry candles.
Now these are for her Christmas show.
No, she doesn't
Maybe.
let us light candles.
We have to. Then like 2 weeks.
Yeah, we have to light the
One of
candles.
them is, or a couple, they're for Christmas gifts.
They're firming up pretty quick now.
Yep. So if you go from the side, you can see kind of the process.
you can see the bottom.
See how it's hardening on the bottom and moving up.
Yep. Across the way. Kind of cool. Cool bean stuff.
We're almost to the next one.
Next batch.
Ashley made green.
I made peppermint art green.
Oh, I thought it was green flavor. Ashley made green flavor.
She's down in her business.
Do you put a little bit of green on top of the red ones, or you don't put that on top of the red?
I've mixed them before.
Yeah.
I haven't needed to with this one yet.
No, you might have some extra
I
ones
could
then.
go get one that has 3.
Oh yeah,
Not
see, I
so
think I
that
see that
I have
one.
enough room for any of it. I guess there's 2 that
I was wondering how you did that with that one.
See, like this one has a little bit
Yeah, a little extra there on that one.
less, so I could do
little
a little
green.
bit in this one.
Make a little bit of a green top on it.
And a little bit on.
Daddy, I have this 3 thing.
Putting some green on top of those. It's kind of cool.
This one has 3 colors. There's green, white, and pink.
Ah,
And
so
this
it's the
one's
Mexican
peppermint.
Flag. Or is
Yeah.
that Italian? I don't remember which
Well,
one.
I was trying to make it look like it was red.
Maybe that's
because
gonna like bleed
I was
through.
doing-
That'll be cool. Probably won't bleed all the way through though, because you already got the outside stuff.
It'll do a little bit. Look at that.
Yeah, you might have some stuff floating up to the middle.
And then I'm gonna do just a little bit on this one, so this one will be a mix.
Oh, okay. But you can't see it because it's in the middle
Yeah,
of
you
the
won't be
barrel.
able to see this one.
You have to take the candle out. And this is making candles.
And then let's do the rest for that one. Don't put all of it. And then we'll run out.
That one's not solid enough yet.
Okay.
So it just float right into it. It would just sink right into it.
So we're gonna.
Panic sets in. It's leaking through the bottom. Uh-oh. Leaking through the bottom of the bucket. Maybe you could put something cold on it so that it would solidify in the cold. Maybe like a big water in a cold bowl, and it would solidify on that. And it would help to seal it in. Just get a bowl with some water and ice cubes.
I think just cold is gonna be enough.
Just cold. So probably get some out, but it'll hold it.
Okay, where's the green?
Hold it in.
That solidified it.
It did? There you go. Emergency has been averted. Now we can go back to.
Blink. This one was fine. No,
Yeah,
it has a tiny bit.
it leaked a little
A
bit.
little bit, but not like the other one.
Yeah. Kind of firm.
Don't get the cheap pails, is what this is proving right here.
Yeah, make sure you seal them first. Make sure they're all sealed with something. Could probably put tape on it or something to seal it. Or that wouldn't work.
Might.
Okay, there's more candles. And I was just gonna get an explanation on them, but she ran away. What's the explanation on these?
This one is a mix of the peppermint and the. Hey Ashley, I
Hawaiian
don't know
punch?
Huh?
Is that a
No,
mix
it's not
between
Hawaii.
pepper and Hawaiian
Ashley,
punch?
what are the flavors of the scents? I don't remember.
Yeah. Which one's which? I think the red one's Hawaiian punch, but mommy said it wasn't Hawaiian
No,
punch.
it's not Hawaiian punch. This one
Smells
is
like Hawaiian punch.
That is strawberry.
the top. This is strawberry. This one is warm cookies.
Warm cookies.
Yeah, with peppermint.
Oh.
Not peppermint. This one is warm cookies with peppermint, but this one is just warm cookies.
Oh, okay.
And then the next one we are making is apple melon, which is in my sense, well, smell, I guess. It smells really good, so I really like the apple melon kind.
Ah, cool.
So this is how much we've done so far. And right now we are trying to make it with beeswax. You need a pound of beeswax.
That's
and
my
this one-
beeswax.
What?
That's my beeswax. It's not your beeswax.
No, it's not.
None of your beeswax.
None of your beeswax.
That's my beeswax.
This is 12 ounces, even though you need a pound. So we got a little bit more, and then you need a half a cup of coconut oil
Oh.
to make candles.
Did you hand squeeze the coconuts?
No,
No, why not?
because
Then you're like really getting into the depth of doing the craft, and you hand squeeze the coconuts yourself.
no.
No. Well, okay.
And we have to try to make sure that each of the wicks are centered.
Yep. And then you put bowls with water in each of them so they wouldn't leak.
Yes.
I think
And it's
some.
worked so far. It hardened it pretty immediately down on the bottom. It's
That's
taking
good.
a little bit harder on the top. I mean, a little bit longer on top.
Yeah, but it's not going to leak out the top. It should be fine.
No.
Cool.
Yes. I used the wrong hand.
Okay, Ashley's pouring in the beeswax.
Beeswax candles,
Oh,
the
sorry.
one I just barely told you.
Beeswax candle,
you
and she
made
barely told us how she made it.
And it looks good.
And it looks good.
Mommy, what do I do with the rest of it?
Mommy, what did she do with the rest of it?
There's
Oh, there was these couple that needed a little bit more. So that's
They need a cup of stuff in them?
So now there's like normal wax mixed with beeswax in the candles.
Now it's going to smell like bees. Everybody's going to be afraid of the candles because they're afraid they get stung by bees.
No, it's going to smell like apple melon.
Oh, not bees? Get chased by the sting bee.
We're not gonna do this.
That makes me really want to drink some fruit punch. But I don't have any fruit punch right now. I don't think that would really work. Might taste a bit off. It'd be a little quirky to drink fruit punch that's flavored like that. Oops. I think you got some wax on top of this stick again.
It's all good.
Oh. Now we got candlesticks because you got wax on the stick. So now we can set the stick on fire and we got a candlestick.
No, we're not gonna do that.
Oh. Isn't that how you make a candlestick? You
And
put
done.
wax on a stick?
This is how you make candles. Goodbye. Make sure you subscribe.
Subscribe to what?
My
Oh, yeah.
channel.
That thing. Oh yeah. I don't know how it works. I just like do stuff.